Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick links in Notion. Quick links are incredibly useful for navigating your workspace efficiently. They allow you to instantly jump to any page, database, or even a specific block within your Notion setup. This saves you valuable time and keeps your workflow smooth. We will cover the simple steps to create these powerful connections, ensuring your Notion pages are always just a click or two away, making your information more accessible and organized. Linking to an existing page is straightforward. Simply type that symbol, followed by the name of the page you wish to link. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select the correct page. This action creates an inline link, providing immediate access to that page from your current location. It is a fundamental way to connect related content and build a robust, interconnected knowledge base within your Notion workspace, enhancing overall navigation. To create a link to a specific block, hover over the block you want to reference. You will see a 6-dot menu appear on the left. Click this menu and select the Copy Link option. This action copies a unique URL for that particular block. You can then paste this link anywhere in Notion, creating a direct reference that jumps precisely to that content, which is perfect for detailed cross-referencing. Notion also offers ways to customize your links. You can easily rename a page link by simply typing new text over the original page title displayed. Furthermore, you have the option to embed links, which displays a rich preview of the linked content directly on your page. For a cleaner look, use the Link to Page option. These features provide flexibility in how you present and interact with your linked information, making your workspace more intuitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.